We recently moved onto this property in December. Now that spring is approaching, we are able to start working on projects outside. The people who lived here before us installed about 25 birdhouses on the trees out here. So I am now starting to clean them out before the birds come back, and then they can restart their bird nests inside. We are going to make it a goal to try to get these birdhouses cleaned out every spring in hopes that different kinds of birds will be seen around our property.